show you how the starter goes on. We had put this bracket on for the support, like we said before, and now we're going to put the starter on, which is just simply lining dowel pins up. Now we're all set to start the engine up. But this is all accessible from underneath the car, and right through behind the tire you can get to these bolts very easily. The position of this is over on the passenger side. And then I'll show you while I'm here. There's a cover that goes onto the We have a cover that goes over the starter in the car, and this is the cover that goes inside the car. So it covers the starter up. Then we have a hole here, and the hole here is for the drain for the air conditioner. You put the hose that's in the car through here, and then I have an extension with a bob fitting that goes on there that goes out to the ground. And that should do it on this part of the video for cutting for the starter. It's a little bit not tricky, but a little bit messy. You get a little bit messed up with cutting it, but it all fits in the way it should. And that's it.